Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suraj and in today's video I am going to show you how to drive an automatic car. No matter which car you drive, first you need to wear a seat belt.
Alright, so now this is the main game in the automatic cars. In automatic cars you will not have clutch. Alright, you will have brake and clutch and then accelerator. Okay, and this is the place where you have to rest your leg and do not use this leg. You should only use brake and clutch. Okay, and when you have to start the car, you have to press the clutch and then turn on the ignition. Then it will start off. Okay, because the brake in the first will act as a clutch. If you press this and then turn on the ignition, it will start, otherwise it won't. Okay, now when I said automatic, you will have automatic. This is reverse, this is neutral, and this is driving mode. That's it. Additionally, don't forget that you have this gear lever. You have to press this and then shift the knob. Right? Press this and shift the knob. Okay, let's go ahead and start the car in 5 steps. Now when you start the car, make sure you open the windows. Okay, these are the windows. Will close and open. Alright, let's go ahead and hit the clutch. Now my left leg is completely resting during the drive mode. I am pressing the clutch, step 1, and then turning on the ignition. Perfect. The car has been started in step 2. Now release the handbrake. Perfect. Then hold the lever, shift the knob. Perfect. And then hit the accelerator. Perfect. And that's how you drive the car. Right? And this how simple it is to drive the automatic car. Now never forget and never scare to drive an automatic car. It's dead easy as your bike. You're just handling the brake as well as the clutch. Sorry, the accelerator. That's it. Now you say it. How am I driving? Take it very nice and slow. Look out for the threads around and then take a good turn. Right? See, look at the driving mode. You have nothing to do with the shifting gears. Once you press the lever and pull the knob, that's it. It's all on driving. And if you want to go reverse, press the knob or press the lever and shift it into the reverse mode, and that's it. The job is done.
and when you are in resting mode, you will press neutral. I will show you how to go neutral. The car will not go into the neutral mode. Okay, and it will not turn off until you turn off. So if you are waiting more than 20 seconds at any place, you can put it in neutral. Otherwise, you're fine. Okay, I didn't get chance to put it in neutral because the signal is ready. All right, check the driving. I'm doing nothing but just it is on the accelerator and brake, accelerator and brake. Just a little push for accelerator is enough. You don't need to go like all right. Brake, brake, accelerator, and then brake. Look at the crowd and the people, how they are coming. It's very difficult to drive on Indian roads. There you go. That's it. That's it, and you're good. Perfect. Alright, I'm sure this video has been helpful. If you like this video, don't subscribe, don't comment, and don't like. I'm just kidding, okay? If you feel this video is helpful, then it's up to you. What do you want to do? All right. Just look how comfortable and cool it is to drive in the city. It is very effortless, and also it helps to drive in traffic. There's zero stress in order to shift the gears. Right? That's it. Now I'm sure 50% or to 80% of audience of mine has been learned how to drive an automatic car. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. I will help you in another video if there are too many doubts to drive the automatic car. And the reverse plays like this. Hold the lever, put it into the reverse mode, and you will have your back camera on, and then you can go reverse. Look at the placement, judge it properly, and just leave it. The clutch will do the work. You don't need to race in an empty space. Just take it neat and nice. That's it. When you hear the first beep, you stop it. Hold the lever, pull the knob to the neutral. That's it, and your job is done for the reverse usage as well. Alright. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.
Dripping on back for the next say song. Never tell her back that I